Never cook your egusi like this if you want it to last long. I mean, scratch that. Cook your egusi like this if you want it to be enjoyed by your friends and your family. So in a pot, I've added my beef, I've added onions and stockfish. A lot of people or some people do not enjoy adding onions into their soups, but I'm going to be using this to steam the meat, and it just gives it an extra flavor for me. You might want to give that a try and let me know how it tastes. So I've steamed it in its own juice before going in with some water, and as you can see, it's coming to a boil. But it be like say this stockfish stubborn, so I just use my spoon. Pieces are made bits made for cook fast. Okay, but you can soak yours in water for a few minutes before adding it to the meat. If you have subscribed, thank you so much for subscribing to this channel. You are the real MVPs. If you're yet to subscribe, wait till the whole you now. I beg, help your girl, join the family, okay? And let's make magic together on this space. So for my egusi, I roasted it for a few minutes in an air fryer. That just accentuates the taste. And then I blended it with red yellow habanero pepper. That's that yellow pepper, because that yellow pepper, it gets one kind very flavorful taste in the give for soup. So I made it into a paste using warm water, and now I'm just rolling it as a ball to put into the mixture. I was using spoon before, but I know they feel the spoon, so now it make me they use my hand. You want to make sure say you wash your hand very very clean, okay? And I'm just giving that rolling all the way into the pot, and I would allow that to cook for some time on low heat. Very important. The reason why you want to do this on low heat is that so that it doesn't get burnt and give your soup a different taste. Okay, so you want to stand nearby, turn it, give it a good mix, make sure all the ingredients, all the flavors marry themselves together. We don't want yet say break up day, okay? We no one use our ear here, and so you make sure it is properly combined together. And next you're going in with some crayfish. Crayfish is very important when cooking local dish. It just adds extra flavor to the food, and it makes you use less seasoning. I don't know if you have noticed. Let me know what you think in the comment section. So we're just going to give that a good mix again to avoid any form of breakup or separation. So ensure that you mix it, mix properly. Next, we're going in with our meat stock and our meat. This is what will help to cook the egusi and add extra taste to the soup. So just give that a good mix with the orishi that is already inside. At this point, you can add your black catfish. I didn't show you when I did that, but you can add if it's available to you. Give that a good mix, and look at our soup. The soup don't they ready like this. So now the next thing now to add our leaf and just you swallow, download or chow this food. Let me know the kind of swallow you like to have with this and your favorite Nigerian soup. So I'm just going to give that a good mix. See how beautiful and delicious this looks. Very very delicious. The aroma in your kitchen now might even invite your neighbors to come and be asking you questions. So we're gonna give that one good mix. And if you have not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button. Thank you, your support means a lot. And now we're going in with some bitter leaf, short bitter leaf. You can use pumpkin leaves, aka ugu leaves. You can use uziza with a mix of pumpkin, that's the ugu leaf. Or if these leaves are not available to you, you can use spinach, kale, or whatever green leaf is available to you, okay? This just adds extra nutrient and beauty to the meal. So if you have stayed up to this point watching this video, thank you very much. You are the real MVP. Remember to subscribe, share this video, and turn on your post notification, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.